Hey y'all, how are you doing? Welcome back, or welcome if you're new. I am about to do an unboxing, hence my little blade to open the mail, and I thought I would share it with you. For those of you who are just joining, I'm Krista David, and welcome to my little piece of the internet where I share all about papers, planners, money, artist life, entrepreneurial life, all the things. But today, I want to do a quick video, show you some goodies. I haven't seen them yet, so I'm really excited. The package arrived today. A friend of mine was just recently in Japan, and a few weeks ago, I sent her a little Instagram DM with some stationery products from Japan, and I said, hey, are you in Japan? Can I send you some money to pick up some stuff for me? She hadn't left yet. Fast forward, she left. I forgot to follow up, but she sent me a photo of some things that she picked up, and I was like, oh my God, is this for me? And then on Friday, this past Friday, she said, send me your mailing address and I will get this to you. Well, she didn't say I would get this to you. She just said, send me your mailing address, please. And I was like, oh, well, maybe she did get those for me. Okay, great. So they just arrived today. H, if you're watching, thank you so much. You're so sweet. I love stationery so much. And gifts are my love language. So you've hit those buttons for me. So thank you if you're watching. H. I'm not going to say her name because I didn't get her permission to say her name on camera. So anyway, I'm going to open the box, which is right here. And then I will take everything out. We'll talk through it. I locked my dog outside, so I may have to open the door for him to come in. But, you know, golden doodles, they are ridiculous. And so cute, but all we want to do is play, play, play. Oh my gosh, you guys, it says Starbucks Reserve. I just fell out of the bag. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, we're about to unbox. Let me go open the door for my dog, though. Okay, he doesn't want to come in, but he can scooch in the dog door if he wants to. But look at this, Starbucks Reserve Roastery. I don't know if that's gonna... Anyway, this camera, I don't even know how to really get it into focus. Anyway, that's what the bag says. Whew. And in my cup, I have some peach bergamot tea. And it's so good. Aw, and the little tab says, the essence of life is to communicate love. I usually keep some of these, especially if it resonates. So I'm definitely going to keep this one. All right, are we ready? Are we ready? Oh my gosh, there's a lot of stuff in here. I'm going to be surprised about everything. So let's just take it out and look at the bag. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a really nice paper. And you know, I'm going to cut the bag open and use the paper for something. So let's see what we got. Let's start with the washies. So this is a Traveler's Masking Tape washi. Let's open it up so that we can see. Oh, it's so cute. It's pink. I love it. And it has coffee cups on it. You know what's so tragic? I stopped drinking coffee in November. I'm on a little break because of my anxiety. I've taken breaks before. I've been drinking coffee since I was 17. I love coffee so much. Like, I love it. And here is the tape. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. So it has, this is all of the symbols. It has a press, a mug, another mug, a spoon, coffee, and then the bag. So I can't wait to use this. I'm gonna use it this week in my planner because this week I think I used some other pink washi. So this will go perfectly. Yay! Okay, what else we got? Let's look at these. Ooh, they're so cute! I feel like a hoarder. I'll show you in a minute why. This is so pretty. It says, Nakameguro, Tokyo, Japan. And it's a cream insert, unlined, perfect cover. So cute. I have her charm. This is so cute. This is a little brass reserve charm, Traveler's Company, made in Japan. And I love the card. I'm gonna journal the card and use the thing. Another charm! Whoa! This is the copper one. I've seen this one. This is so pretty. Copper tag. Oh, that's so lovely. Oh! And I got some brass. I love these clips. I don't have these, but I have other Traveler's Company clips. And these are just so sweet and will last forever. So it's 3 of them, a star, a circle, and a coffee cup. Oh my gosh, H. This is making my day. Uh-oh, I got it! This is like a coveted, is this what I think it is? Yes, yes it is. My goodness. This thing is coveted. It's hard to find this. I think actually they only make this in Japan. So I feel so blessed to have it. I can put some photos in there and that's gonna be so lovely. Yes, yes. Let me put this one back in the bag because I don't want anything to happen to it. So this extra special. Extra special. Okay. Wow. That's already blowing my mind. I'll put them all back in the bag because I don't want anything to happen to them. But yeah, I can't wait to get to Japan. My God. I'm literally going to pack a carry-on and a duffel bag and a check bag. And all my clothes are going to be in the carry-on. That check bag and that duffel bag will be empty because I'm literally going to come back with every bit of stationery I can find. Okay. Put that over there. Another charm! Man, she did good. I didn't even know to like, I mean, the charms are really special because they will last forever. Like, you know, I get to use the notebooks up, but these little charms are just so, like, I'll have them forever. And I have so many Traveler's notebooks, so this is like perfect. So 3 charms. Another charm! Wow, she was just like, let me just get all the charms. I'm so excited. Oh, this is so cute. This is like a little weight. I guess it's Oh, it's a little pack of coffee. It's a little bag of coffee. Oh, so cute. So I have 4 charms. Oh my gosh. And now we have notebooks, which love that for me. Traveler's Company notebooks, lined. This is nice. I've been saying I want to get into lined so that I can work on my penmanship. This is so cute. Explore Nakameguro neighborhood to find your favorites from all the beauties it has to offer. This is gorgeous. And it has a little Starbucks Reserve Roastery, Tokyo on the back. Oh, it's unlined. Ooh, look at this paper. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, and it has a map. That's beautiful. I can't wait. I cannot wait. Okay, let me put this one back in the bag. Well, I'll wait and put them all back after this. Let's see what else we have. Oh, this one is so pretty. Oh my gosh. H, you've outdone yourself. This one is so pretty. Oh, goodness. Am I going to want to use the... Oh, it's Dot. Yay. Am I going to want to use this? So I got a lined, an unlined cream, a dot, and then this one. Ooh, this is pretty too. Oh, craft. Oh, I love this. It's going to be perfect for journaling. Like travel journaling. This is so sweet. Okay, and then what else? We have pull the separator sticker. Oh, these are stickers, roll stickers. Let's see what that's about. Ooh. Okay, these are just stickers that, let's see. Uh-oh, it's the whole thing. So there's like a lemon, there's a coffee cup, there's an arm with a heart lifting weight, there's a tongue. So this is exciting. Super, super exciting. Once you pull it, you got to start pulling it, you know. Oh, wow. Okay. I feel so blessed. I feel so blessed. I am beside myself. So stickers, washi, 4 notebooks that are just absolutely beautiful. And cute little brass charms. Another little tiny notebook. This coveted one for pictures and photos. And then the charms. All the charms. My God, this was a big haul. Was it not? Was it not? There's no way for me to make this look nice on screen, but just know that I'm screaming inside. And let me tell you why I feel like such a hoarder. Let me show you. Please hold. And I'm going to put all this stuff in my traveler's notebook storage bin. And the reason why I feel like a little hoarder, because look at this. Traveler's notebooks, traveler's notebooks, more traveler's notebooks, more traveler's notebooks, little ones, more little ones, more little ones, plastic case, charmy charms, more charmy charms, like pin loops. Girls, 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 girls. So I'm gonna put all of my new treasures inside of this. Thank you so much, H. I'm gonna do another video where I set up my traveler's notebooks because I have many of them. I have Oh, where are the traveler's notebooks, by the way? Let me just put this inside of a piece of paper. I have, how many do I have? I have 4, 2 little ones. No, one passport and 3 standards. And they are somewhere around here. Actually, they're in my drawer. And I have other traveler's notebooks, but these are the ones that I have that are from the Travelers Company. So, yeah. I have this, which is a fluke. This is supposed to be a camel, but it's not a camel. But I still love it. This is my OG brown, first one I ever got. It's been through the muck. And then these are my 2 newest ones, the olives. Got the mama and the baby. So with all of these beautiful notebooks, I can get back to using my traveler's notebooks, which is the plan for the spring. Because I miss them so much. Like, I just miss them so much. Okay, that's it. That's the unboxing. H, if you're watching, you did good, friend. Thank you so much. You made my whole week. Until next time. Bye.